and into the turbo. Now I'm actually going to be replacing it because it is a little worn out, so I might as well get this replaced. And I ended up getting some new couplers here by Grimspeed. So Grimspeed, if you're watching this video, shout out to you guys. So the Grimspeed couplers with the ARC Tama intercooler is going to be a great combo and should hold boost without a problem. Oh my god, it's so fucking... I want to show you guys how I did this. So I tried to be very careful. I have 3 microfiber towels along the metal frames there. So the last thing I want is for my intercooler to get scratched up there. So I'm just playing it safe. Again, even there in the back where the AC lines are running, I have the microfiber towel there just to avoid any scratches. But I think I pretty much got it inside. Those Grimspeed couplers there, I'm telling you, they're top quality. This video is not sponsored by them. Recommending you guys what I think is probably one of the best products out there for Subarus. Definitely check out Grimspeed. So I just got this in the mail. This is the front engine splash guard, obviously to protect the oil pan and under the engine. So it came with all the hardware. This is made by TSW. I don't know where this company's from, but this was like 180 shipped, I think. It's gonna crack my carbon fiber side skirts, so that's something to be really careful about. So anyways, let me turn on the car. So I only have one STI seat. This is from a JDM STI. The only reason why I only have one is because this is only a short-term seat. I'm waiting for some new seats from Japan. They should be here in around 2 to 3 months. And now comes the worst part, is jacking up the car. So every time I have to jack up the car, I always gotta drive back and then put these brakes on top of or in front of the wheels, and then drive over the brakes. That's the only way I can jack up the car, because the car is so low that if I jack it straight from here, it's gonna crack my carbon fiber side skirts. So that's something to be really careful about. All right, so I just placed my 2 brakes in front, and then I'm gonna turn on the car and drive on top of them, and then that should be able to give me enough space to jack up the car. Alright, so I just drove over the bricks. Check it out, all good to go. Then I could just jack up the car, and then everything will be nice and safe. Is leaking, and then I don't know what's leaking over here. I still have to figure out from where, but it looks like all of this is covered with oil. Shit. Now this is one of the things you have to deal with whenever owning a Subaru. Check out those headers. So I have 2 jacks on the other side just to be safe, and imagine if that's the original ride height. That's so ugly. So here's the aluminum front engine splash shield, and trying to figure out which way to install it. Give me 1 second here until I figure this out. Check out the floating Subaru channels, these vents so the hot air can escape to protect the engine, and also for aerodynamics so the air can funnel through as I'm driving. Fits super nice, all the bolts line up perfectly. Now I can protect my oil pan. And even these headers not being OEM, these are the Killer Bee Equalink headers. and it fits just perfect. But there we have it. Look at the fitment. Fitment is super nice. It's very close, but the headers are not touching the shield. This is probably one of the most coolest mods that I've ever added to the car, just because look at that. You can see the aluminum from the top as you're shining the light. Looks super cool. Damn. Wow. Keep those headers. This was just a quick little install. I wanted to show you guys. I didn't want to keep you guys hanging on those videos, but here's the update on the car. Check out that titanium strut bar. The newly acquired ARC top mount intercooler. I'm still thinking about what I want to do with the intake. I'll maybe get the concise service intake box, or maybe I'll just have a custom box built around this right here. But yeah, all right guys, peace out, take care.